Alright folks, here you got it. Only thing left to do is tack this collar here on, but I'm not going to do that until I get a chance to dig out the press brake over there, or the my press over there. This is the brake. But it is all assembled. I got the bottom die welded on. As you can probably tell, I'm not a welder. But I think I did an okay job. Here's the back side. All that's left to do, like I said, is put it on the actual press over there, tack this collar on, and bend some stuff. Keep you posted. Leave me some comments. Let me know what you think. Swag off-road. Finger brake.